How to clean drains. PowerFix Drain Cleaner is a powerful 99% pure caustic soda flake that is effective at dissolving fats and degreasing. Drain Cleaner is suitable for unblocking drains, sewer pipes, and is suitable for use in septic tank systems. Read the safety instructions carefully before use and avoid contact with eyes and skin by wearing gloves, protective eyewear, and a face mask or respirator to prevent inhaling fumes. Use in a well-ventilated area. Always read instructions carefully and take all safety precautions. First, remove any excess sludge and water. Heap 3 to 4 tablespoons of the PowerFix Drain Cleaner flakes onto the area to be cleaned and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Pour hot water slowly over the flakes to ensure the strong drain cleaner solution clears the grease and grime inside the drain or overflow pipe. Repeat if necessary. After use, store the product in an upright position with the lid tightly sealed in a cool, well-ventilated area away from metals. Keep out of reach of children and animals. Do not use the container and do not dispose of the product or container into the common waste system. Phone 0860 254 620 for product disposal inquiries. Contact our product support line on 072 396 4980 for assistance prior to application.